Shilpkaar Architects Pvt for sustainable and green architecture. We have been working in a highly progressive graph from last 23 years and leading among medium-sized regional practices in pan-India and overseas. We focus on delivering innovative solutions with new technologies without compromising the client's needs and comfort. Shilpkaar was formed in 2008 and since then, we are designing buildings that create spatial paradigms, deliver experimental richness to withstand the test of time. The 23 years of hard work and meticulous efforts of our principal directors, Architect Vivek Jindal and Architect Shailendra Sengar, who are also the fellow members of Indian Institute of Architects, Institution of Valuers, and Associate Life Member, Institute of Indian Interior Designs, forms the solid foundation of Shilpkaar. Our directors, Architect Biswajit Sen Gupta, the mastermind behind the Asia's largest senior citizen housing complex in Bhiwadi, Engineer N.K. Mittal, the expert in MEP services, and Architect Akhil Gupta, the youngest director with remarkable zest, innovative ideas and new working schemes. Shilpkaar is the in-house resort for all the architectural and MEP services. All our associates are from IITs, NITs and other reputed government colleges. Our expertise on diverse projects of various magnitudes shows that our team is capable of delivering projects irrespective of its nature at the onset. We follow the design methodology of generating the goal, synthesizing and selecting need, functions and structure, and then shaping the design concept which on development further leads to the detailed design. The hardworking, enthusiastic and talented constitutes our core team, which includes urban planner, senior architects, interior designers, junior architects, CAD detailers and draftsmen, 3D animation creators, civil engineers, valuers, model makers, support staff. And they all work as the backbone of Shilpkaar. Now we are highlighting some of our projects. Hitech Gears Limited, ENTC Nova plant in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. The built-up area in RCC is 2000 square meter and in shed is 10,000 square meter. The project was completed in January 2012. The furthermore about this project will be described in the end. Another completed project is Sekisui DLGM Molding Pvt Limited in Khushkhera, Rajasthan. The built-up area in RCC is 680 square meter and in shed is 4300 square meter. Sekisui DLGM Molding Pvt Limited in Tamil Nadu with built-up area in RCC 8500 square meter and built-up area in shed 1300 square meter. Sunbeam Auto Pvt Limited, Rico Industrial Area, Kaharani, Alwar, Rajasthan. The built-up area in shed is 15,000 square meters. Another completed project, Motherson Automotive in Bhiwadi with built-up area in shed 10,000 square meters. Ramakrishna Forgings Limited in Jharkhand with built-up area in RCC 10,000 square meters and built-up area in shed 70,000 square meters. Another completed project, Paracoat Asia Corporation Limited in Thailand. The built-up area in shed is 970 square meter and it was completed in 2012. AV Light Automotives Pvt Limited in Chennai with built-up area in RCC 250 square meter and built-up area in shed 1650 square meters. Another completed project, FAM Auto Industries Limited in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 5800 square meters and built-up area in shed 4600 square meters. The recently completed project, Yazaki India Pvt Limited in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 3000 square meters and in shed 12,000 square meters. Supreme Industries Limited, Khushkhera in Rajasthan with built-up area in RCC 55 square meters and built-up area in shed 6,000 square meters. KE Industries Limited, Unit 4 in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 15,000 square meters and built-up area in shed 9,000 square meters. The project was completed in 2008. Courts Cable Industries Limited in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan with built-up area in RCC 15,000 square meters and built-up area in shed 9,000 square meters. One of the ongoing projects, Pure and Cure Healthcare Private Limited in Guwahati, with built-up area in RCC 21,000 square meters. Another ongoing project, ALP FFPI Paths Private Limited, Google Kota, Shahjahanpur, Alwar. The built-up area in RCC is 9,100 square meters. Very recently completed project, Micromax Tapukara, Alwar. The built-up area in RCC 4,700 square meters and built-up area in shed 8,850 square meters. Now moving forward towards our housing and condominiums projects. Krish Vatika in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan with built-up area 51,200 square meters which was completed in 2013. Nimrana Estate, Village Chabara, Shahjahanpur, Behrar, Alwar. The built-up area in RCC 32,875 square meters and this project is still going on. Shankara Residency at Umek City, Jaipur with built-up area in RCC 74,410 square meter is going on. Now our corporate offices and commercial buildings. City Centre in Rohtak, Haryana with built-up area in RCC 3,450 square meter. Sukham Tower in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 12,055 square meters. Sun Square Mall in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 6,700 square meters is still going on. Another going on project, Shilpkaar Plaza in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 4,637 square meters. Krish Square in Bhiwadi with built-up area in RCC 6,500 square meters. Hitech Gears Limited is an auto component manufacturer of world-class repute. It is situated in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. The project has received a gold rating under Green Factory Rating System administered by the Indian Green Building Council. The project comprises of a compost pit to minimize the solid waste, facilities for the staff including breakout spaces and gymnasium to increase their productivity. Energy efficient HVAC system, cavity walls to reduce HVAC load, efficient light fixtures with motion sensors, water harvesting plant, water efficient fixtures. The project built up area for RCC was 2,000 square meter and for shed was 10,000 square meter. The project was completed in January 2012. The project highlights are Vastu compliant design, design for energy conservation, certified gold awarded by IGBC Green Factory Building Rating System. Design philosophy. Methods proposed to be adopted for minimization of heat gain. It is proposed to adopt as far as feasible natural principles to achieve the desired comfort conditions. This will have the following distinct advantages. Requires virtually no man-made energy, requires extremely low maintenance, it is everlasting. Walls, double walls of brick with sealed air gap between, use of hollow blocks made of fly ash brick, shaded wall surfaces with horizontal or vertical louvers. Glazing, use of vacuum sealed double glazing. Shading devices, use of horizontal and vertical louvers for shading of glazed openings. Landscaping, shady trees on the south and west sides to prevent direct sunlight falling on the walls, grass cover around the building to prevent reflected radiation from the hardscaped areas. Paint, on external surfaces, use of light colored reflected paint to prevent heat absorption of walls. Roof, use of heat insulating finishing on RC terrace slab with mud fusca or lime terracing. Selection of roof profile to minimize exposed area, thereby reducing heat gain. Use of roof extractors for dissipating heat from inside the work area. Principle of 3R. Energy resource used by us was evaluated to ensure that it suited the principle of reduce, reuse and recycle, or the principle of 3R. Hence, we ensured minimal wastage of energy and water during construction. Also, designs were optimized to save material and every construction material was evaluated for recycled content. The use of water fixtures with low flow rates as indicated in the IGBC reference table helped us achieve 58% net water reduction following the principle of reduce and recycle. These are the site plan, landscape plan and front elevations of the project. Here you can see the floor plan, plumbing and firefighting drawing. This is the coordination plan for the project. Here the pictures of the projects can be seen. This is the Green Building Gold certificate achieved by the project, the High-Tech Gears Limited. These are our major industrial projects in NCR. Some more. These are the major industrial projects in India and overseas. These are our major group housings and condominiums. These are our major commercial, institutional and recreational projects. These are the ongoing projects for industrial, housing, commercial and some of the miscellaneous projects. These are some of our clients from the past with whom we have worked and served. For architectural consultancy and MEP services, we can be contacted at any of our 3 branches, Gurgaon, Bhiwadi and Nimrana. We would be happy to serve you.